Okay, hold on a second. I gotta get my kydex. Alright, so I heated my kydex in a little toaster oven. I did not cut scallops in here on the side. I see a lot of people do that, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't wanna try to do it my way. Ow, it's hot. Make sure you got some good gloves. Hot pads probably, they're alright, but I don't know how you're gonna operate hot pads. And put it on here, and then, you know, probably want to tinker with it a little bit. There we go. I do have some rippling going on. It's not a big deal. I don't really care. Not worried about it. Just want a good kydex shield for my kayak and my wife's kayak. Look at that. No scalloping. All right, so just let this cool, and then I will get my. You can put this on there with caulk or sealant glue, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to use it's called contact cement. So I'll coat this edge in here. I'll coat all this in here with the contact cement. Of course, before I do that, I'll take my marker and draw a line here where it's going to be, so I'll know where to paint with my contact cement. Then I'll paint this with contact cement, and I'll let it dry for the required time, which is just a matter of minutes. But make sure that when you get ready to put it on, that you got it measured exactly where you want it to be, because once you do that, it's on there for ever. I mean, you can get it off, but that's the point, is you want it to be on there permanently. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for hanging around, and like and subscribe. Leave a comment or make a comment, leave a comment, make a statement, whichever. It's hot in here. I gotta go. I'll see y'all later.